In this video tutorial, we will explain you the three different types of visualizations that you can build for a single categorical data. These three different visualizations include bar plot, pie plot, and the dot plot. So let's build them. As we have explained you in the theory part that first you need to create a table function to create the frequency table first for each categorical variable in which you are interested. So let's first create a frequency table of the gender data that is present in our clinical data set. Let's store this frequency table into a variable named gender. After typing the name of variable where we want to hold our data, then we will give the sign of the equality, and after giving a sign of equality, we will type our function table. After typing the table, we will give the parentheses, and after giving the parentheses, we will type the name of the variable that is holding our whole data set, and name of the variable is a data, as you know it very well. And after it, we will give the $sign, and we will select the column where our gender data is present. And as you know that the gender data is present in our sex column. So we will select the sex and we will run this piece of code. When we will run this piece of code, then our frequency table will be created. Now this is time to build the bar plot. To build the bar plot, we will simply type the bar plot. And after typing the bar plot, we will give the parentheses. And after giving the parentheses, we will type the name of the variable that is holding our gender data. So we will type the gender here. That is a variable that we have created previously. After typing the name of the variable, let's hit the run button or press the Ctrl-Enter key to run this code. When you will do that, then very shortly, the bar plots will appear in front of you. As you can see it here, that there are the two bars. The one is going to represent the female, another one is going to represent the male. Currently, these bars are not going to have any specific colors, but you can add the colors as well. But this is actually going to be a bit complicated topic, and we will explain it to you very shortly in upcoming modules. After building the bar plot, the next plot which we are going to build is a pie plot. To build the pie plot, we are going to use the same frequency table that we have created previously. To create the pie plot, we are going to use a function pie, and after typing the pie, we will give the parentheses, and after giving the parentheses, we will type the name of the variable that is holding our frequency table. And as you know that, the name of the variable that is holding our frequency table is a gender. After typing the name of the variable, we will come out of the parentheses, and then we will run this piece of code. When you will run this piece of code, then after a few moments, the pie chart will appear in front of you, as you can see it here. Here, you can see the females with the white pie and the males with the light blue pie. After building the pie plot, the next plot which we are going to build for this categorical data is a dot plot. To build the dot plot, we are going to use the same frequency table, but here we are going to use a function dot chart. After typing this function, we will give the parentheses, and within the parentheses, we will type the name of the variable that is holding our gender data. After typing the name of the variable that is holding the frequency table of the gender data, we will run this piece of code. And when we will run this piece of code, then after a few moments, the dot plot will appear in front of you. Please note one warning in the console. And this warning is telling you that X is neither a vector nor a matrix using as.numeric X. At this moment, please ignore this warning. We will talk about these warnings later on in our course. We hope so that now you will have a good idea that how you can build the bar plot, pie charts, and the dot charts by yourself in R for your single categorical data. In the next video tutorial, we will explain it to you that how you can build the heat map, mosaic plots, and the stack bar chart for the two categorical variables. So stay with us.